Hi, my name is Francesca. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox this Barbie. So this is a Barbie Fashionista, I think, and this is like number 159. So it's not really a new Barbie Fashionista, but I have been wanting to buy it for a while, and today I decided to go for it. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and my art. I also sing, and I like to collect Barbies. Not because it's cool now. I've been collecting Barbies for a while. And I also keep all of these drawings that come from the Barbie boxes. I usually use them to make art and stuff. So let's take a look to the Barbie. I would not say she's blonde, kinda blonde. She's blondish. And I really like the tie-dye t-shirt. And so over on the t-shirt we have Femme and Fierce. That's the words. These are the words. Sorry for my English. I'm Italian. Okay. So let's take a look to the hair. I think she's cute. Yes. I have many Barbies, and I've been looking forward to buy it for a while now. She's got sneakers. I don't know if you can see them. Yes. And a pretty face, I would say. I don't know what's the English for this kind of hat. So, I don't know, but it's a hat. I really like it. I'll show you the Barbie.